Jack Rose. It sounds like some fictional character from the period drama that your mum's crazy friend claims she's in a relationship with, and when the film gets released, she watches it 50 times in a month and gets a restraining order from terrorising the 28-year-old actor who plays the main character. I don't have much on the news front regarding my move date, but whilst packing away some of my booze collection, I found a very old school spirit which I wish more people would use, and it's perfectly suited to more autumnal style drinks. The ingredient lineup. We have a hero ingredient which is Applejack, which I love using this time of year, especially when it's dark and dreary outside and it's hammering it down with rain. And we've got Grenadine and fresh lemon juice. Let's kick this off by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml of Applejack to our shaker. Then add 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5ml of Grenadine. And lastly add 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5ml of fresh lemon juice. Add ice and shake for around 10 to 15 seconds. History-wise, this cocktail was thought to have been created in 1905 by a New Jersey bartender called Frank May. It was popular up to around 1913 and was thought to have fallen out of fashion due to its association with an underworld figure called Baldy Jack Rose, who was witness in the infamous murder case. But it was actually thought to have been named after the Jacqueminot Rose, and actually the drink had a bit of a revival around the 2010s. Double strain this into a Nick and Nora or coupe glass. Then garnish with a lemon peel strip. The taste test. The Applejack is dominating this. It obviously has that apple taste with some oak and some spice elements. As mentioned previously, it's a very autumnal drink. And paired with the lemon juice, which I think goes exceptionally well with Applejack, it really works well together. The Grenadine brings a sweetness and that brilliant red colour. Nice drink, simple, inexpensive, and I like it. And I think you should be adding Applejack to your collections, as it's overlooked in my opinion. Giving this a solid 8.2 out of 10.